Today we will be going over how to put any text in between clouds and make it look realistic here in Final Cut Pro. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. On the screen here you can see our website, www.b3-studios.com, where we have plenty of plugins to help you with your Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right on into the video. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start off with our sky footage. So if you would want this exact same footage that I have, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can find this and download this and upload it into Final Cut Pro. If you don't have the exact same sky scene that we're using, then you will have to try your best to put the camera on the tripod and try to get a still shot of the sky for about like 15 seconds. Just make sure there's not much movement when you're capturing the sky scene, because we can always add camera movements after the fact when we shoot a still shot. So that's one thing to keep in mind, but let's get right on into the video. So what we're going to do here is we have our cloud scene. What we want to do here is we just want to make a duplicate of this. So we're going to hold Option and drag down to create a duplicate. Just leave that one under there for now. Actually, we're going to bring this one up top. And we're just going to press V on this to disable this clip. I'm going to press V on this bottom clip here and disable that. And then we're going to click on the top clip. And we are going to go to our effects tab and we're going to type in mask. And you're going to add your draw mask right here to the top clip. And then we're going to go out to about 25 so we get a smaller view. You can just do a pretty rough mask along the bottom clouds. And it's going to vary to, if you're not using this footage, it's going to vary to what your clouds look like. So just try to mask where you think the words are going to go, the kind of path that the words are going to go behind or in front of. Just keep that in mind when you're doing this. Once you get your rough outline, you are going to just go outside of this because we want to keep the bottom. And then now you'll have this. And now we can Control T to bring up a basic title. And this looks a little rough right now, I know. We're actually going to fit this all in. And we're going to press V on the bottom clip. And we're going to drag this basic title in the middle right here. Right here. You can see it appearing a little bit right here. We have our mask covering it up a little bit, but we're going to fix that. What we're going to do here is we're just going to add the text. Let's say clouds. And we're going to put this bold, bring it up a little bit. And it's okay, guys, that this isn't showing all the way. We're going to fix that. Let's just get this font right. Okay, I got my drop shadow down there, make it look a little better. All right, now we're going to fix this little issue that's going on in the background right here. And what we're going to do here is we are going to feather this. So we're going to bring the feather down a little bit. And we can bring the opacity down just a little bit. And as you see, it's blending right on in with the clouds. You can make adjustments to this just according to your footage. You can animate the words coming in. You can actually put this into a compound clip. I'm about to give you guys a little extra tip. So what you want to do is you want to create a new compound clip. So right click and create a new compound clip. Name it whatever, clouds. And then to do here is we are going to add some camera movement. So in the search bar, we're going to go to handheld. So you can just type in hand, and we're going to drop that on the clip right here. And this is where you can make adjustments to the handheld effect. So I'm going to press play. As you can see, it's already moving. And the text looks great in between the clouds. It looks very realistic. Great effect to catch the attention of a viewer, to keep your crowd engaged in the footage. So this is another tip that I have for you guys today. Visit the website. We have plenty of plugins that you can use on your everyday basis in Final Cut Pro to ease your workflow. So go check that out, www.b3-studios.com. And we will be coming out with a lot more tips and tricks to help you guys out, but you guys have to engage with the channel. You have to comment and tell me what you guys want to see and what you don't want to see. So I'm looking forward to that, and thank you guys again, and I will see you soon. All right, thank you. Bye.